Hello, today I'm going to show you how I made my Adora jacket. The materials I used was a ½ yard of off-white material, a yard and a half of red lining, 1 foot of headliner for cars, a 7-inch separating zipper, and a whole lot of red. Lay out the back piece and then lay both of the front sections down. Pin along the shoulder line and sew each shoulder. Unfold it, take each sleeve, and you should be able to pin them in place, like this. Go ahead and sew the sleeves in. Afterwards, fold the jacket and sew down each side, from the sleeves to the bottom. Now it's starting to look like a jacket. Now you can take your lining and repeat this process. Adora has openings on each of her sleeves, so I mark the outside of the sleeves with chalk, and I use a strip of heat and bond to adhere on the wrong side of the fabric. I use an iron on high and to make sure that it sticks. Don't forget to peel away the paper afterwards. For now, we're just going to leave it like that. Once that's cooled down, I'm going to move on to the collar. Sew down 3 of the sides, flip it inside out, and top stitch. Take the jacket and the lining and put them with right sides facing. Find the center back and the center of the collar. Sandwich the collar between the jacket and the lining. Pin around the edge of the jacket and sew. Make sure to leave an opening to flip the jacket right side out. I forgot to film that bit, but it should look like this. Right after, I went back and top stitched the edges. Here I have rolled the sleeves into a hem. I made the section wide enough to fit an inch wide strip of elastic. Leave a small opening to feed the elastic into. Using a safety pin, I pulled some elastic that I measured to fit around my bicep through the slip and hand stitched it together. I took it back to the machine and stitched it closed. Here I added the zipper in the front using the zipper foot on my machine. Make sure you get a separating zipper, unlike I did. Back to the sleeve holes. Iron the heat and bond area so that it will bond to the lining. Once cooled, cut open the line using small scissors. Cut a V at each edge. Fold each side under and hand stitch them down. Give it a good iron. Now your jacket is done. Except we need those 80s shoulder pads. Using my pattern, I cut 2 of the shoulder pads. I then cut several strips until I got a thickness that I liked. They don't have to match up right away. Once I do have my thickness, I sew them. I cut off the excess, and then I make another one. It's optional, but you can use a serger to finish the edges if you like. I don't show it here, but I secure these shoulder pads into the jacket by sewing each corner into the lining. And now you're actually done. Hi everyone! If you liked that tutorial and found it useful, hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button really helps me out. I'll also include the links for this pin and this belt buckle down below. Also, if you like swords, there's a link for that too.